filling in for Kason at Haggerty, trying to get you a driving video of this sweet 1970 Dodge Charger. We're currently kind of racing the raindrops to get back to the shop here before the bottom loads out. I just want to tell you, this car is awesome in the way that it combines the old school big body muscle car feel, but it has way more power and precision in the chassis than you would ever expected from an original 1970 Charger. And don't get me wrong, I love an original, you know, a Hemi car, a 446 pack car from back in the day. But, you know, while they make the right sounds, it just can't top the modern power that this car has, the stopping power of the brakes. If I just touch the brakes, it'll throw you forward in the seat. That wasn't even, that was like 2 toes. You know, the clutch feels great in it. The steering is nice and tight, way better than any 1970s Mopar steering ever was. It's just a really awesome blend of that old car feel, the classic feel, but you have all of the modern stuff that you want. You know, it's currently like 100% humidity and 90 degrees outside, and I've got the air conditioning cranking in here. It's nice and cold, even with the windows down, and it's